So welcome again guys for another video tutorial for our integral calculus. This is about a method for substitution. So here for our problem in this video, we have integral of x over quantity of 3x minus 4 dx. So sa problem na to, before we can integrate this, we need to identify first if yung fraction sa integrand is a proper ba siya or improper. So there are two ways to determine if yung fraction is a improper siya, okay? If yung degree ng denominator mo is mas lesser siya sa numerator, let's say yung x mo dito sa itaas is mas malaki yung degree niya compared dito, therefore that is improper. And also if the same degree sila ng numerator tsaka denominator, yung highest degree ng x mo, which is ito, x tsaka x lang naman, diba? The same sila ng degree, therefore this is still an improper. Okay? So, to simplify improper fraction, there are two ways to simplify. Either you need to manipulate or a division. It can be synthetic division or a long division. But for me, mas prefer ko gawin yung long division because mas comfy ako eh. Either of that, okay? Kung gusto mo mag-synthetic, pwede din. Kung saan ka mas comfy. Anyway, so to simplify this, gagawin ko is long division. I will divide this, so this will become this one. Okay? Joke lang, baliktad pala. Dapat sa labas yung 3x minus 4. My bad guys. Yan. Tapos sa loob yung x. Okay, ayun. Okay. So first thing to do, we just need to divide this, okay, sa ating 3x. So x divide 3x, that is equal to ilan yan? 1/3, right? Or 3 pala. 3. My bad. 1/3, yeah. 1/3, tama. Ano ba yan? Ang lutang. 1/3 ha, 1/3. So that if we multiply this back, 1/3 times 3x, that is equal to x lang, right? And then 1/3 times negative 4, that is equal to negative 4/3. Okay? So after, take the opposite sign of subtract. So x minus x is simply equal to 0. And the negative times negative 4/3 magiging positive 4/3. After nyan, since ito na yung natin, tawag ito, remainder, we just need to divide this to our divisor. So this will become 4/3 over 3x minus 4. Ganyan, okay? So our new integrand will become integral of 1/3 plus we have 4/3 over 3x minus 4, okay, and then dx. We can integrate this one by one, so i-distribute lang natin to integral together with the dx. So sa first term we have a constant, pwede kang ilabas muna, and then integral ng dx plus also this 4/3 pwede ka tong ilabas, and then dx over 3x minus 4. Okay? Yan. After, for this one, this is just a simple integral. We can just integrate this. Integral of constant is just equal to x. For this one, we need to let's lang muna. Sige, integral lang first term is equal to 1/3 x. Okay? And then for the second term, let us focus for this one. Yan. So for this term, we just need to let u. So ang ilalet natin dito is yung denominator. So let u equal to 3x minus 4. Our du, simply derivative of u. So this will become 3dx. Okay? Because yung derivative ng negative 4 is just 0. But notice that yung dx natin is just, wala siyang 3, diba? So therefore, we need to divide both sides 3 so that we can solve for dx. So therefore, our dx is equal to du over 3. Okay? Goods. So we just need to rewrite this in terms of u. So you have 1/3 x plus 4/3 integral of our dx is equal to du over 3. I will just put it like that. Okay? Over 3x minus 4 is equal to u. Itong 1/3 sa du, pwede ko itong ilabas. So, magiging 1/3 x plus, we have 4/3 here and then times pa sa 1/3. So, magiging 4/3 times 1/3 that is equal to 4 over 9. An integral ng du over u. And we know that an integral ng du over u is simply equal to ln of u, right? So, magiging 1/3 x plus 4 over 9 and then ln of u plus c. But we need to bring back our original value of u, which is equal to 3x minus 4. So this will become 1/3 x plus 4 9 ln of, I forgot to put the absolute. So this will become absolute of value 3x minus 4 plus c. So since there's no further simplification, therefore this is now our final answer. And that's all for this video. Hopefully may natutunan kayo and sana na-gets nyo yung explanation. That's all. Thank you.